I hope I am audible.
Yeah, yeah, you are audible.
Yeah. So,
Okay. I'm audible?
yeah. So I'm Ashish, and I'll be taking your technical interview for Baker Street today. And so, I'll be asking you a DSA question, and the expected time of solving it is around half an hour. Uh,
Okay.
and yeah, so can we have your introduction, please, Vaibhav?
Okay. So, hi Ashish, I am Vaibhav. Currently, I am a final year student in IIT Patna, pursuing my BTech degree in civil and environmental engineering. And apart from that, I am also interested in computer programming. I have good knowledge of some computer programming languages like C++, Java, Python, and JavaScript, and other languages also that I have mentioned in my resume. And with my courses, I have some chooses some elective courses that are related to computer science fundamentals, in which I have done some projects that I have also mentioned in my resume. And in my learning journey, I have also done some projects that by which I have learned some stuffs. So this is all about me.
Yeah, Vaibhav, that was a great introduction from your side. So let's proceed without wasting time. Let's proceed to the DSA question. So I'll
Okay.
be sharing a GDoc link in the chat section. So, uh, okay. So Vaibhav, can you see there is a link?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, just open it.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You need to access. You need to give me some access.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Let me request.
Yeah, yeah. I'm giving you the access. Wait. Yeah, now you can use it. Now can you see?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I am able to access.
Okay. So I'll be pasting a question here. Uh, mm, just a minute. Okay. Hmm. I hope you are able to see the questions. Yeah. So this is the question,
Yeah, yeah.
and
Okay,
let me explain you the question first. So you are given a string s of length n,
okay,
and you have to find the alphabetically largest subsequence of length I possible for each I, where I is between 1 to n. So what this statement means is that you are given a string s, and you have to find you have to find a substring and a subsequence of every length from 1 to n, such that
okay,
yeah, the such that the forms such that the formed string is
hmm,
is alphabetically largest among all the string of length I. Suppose so I'll explain
okay,
this with an example. So suppose you are given a string hrw. So
hmm,
so obviously of length 1 you can make the largest string as w. You cannot make
okay,
any string which is alphabetically larger than w. And for length 2
okay,
you can make rw. You cannot make anything
okay.
which is greater than rw. You cannot make hr, because hr is obviously alphabetically smaller than rw. And
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
obviously for length 3 you can make hrw. I hope you understood the question, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me the range of n?
Yeah, so the constraints are basically length of the string is uh, 5000. And
Okay.
yeah, that's it. I hope
And
you understood the question.
all the letters are in
Yeah, all the
lowercase, right?
letters are in small letters.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And I need to print these substrings,
Yeah, you
right?
need to print all the substrings of all the length, the largest substring possible. the largest subsequence possible.
Okay, and value of error constraint is n equal to maximum value 5,000.
5,000, yes.
Okay, okay. So, Ashish,
Yeah,
yeah, I am ready with the solution.
okay.
Can I?
You can explain
Okay,
me the solution first.
okay. So let me explain the solution first. Actually, can you give me the access of editing request, editing this GForm so that I can explain you how I am thinking?
uh, okay. Are
So
you
let
not
me
able to write here?
access. No, no. I'm sending a request.
Hmm. Hmm. I guess you are editor. I have given you the. Now check once.
Okay, let me stress.
Yeah. Now I guess.
Oh, wait. Yeah, yeah. Now I am able to request.
Yeah.
Okay, so Ashish, can you come to the last page of the Google Doc?
Yeah. Wait, let me
I am
just write. Let me. Yeah, just a minute. I'm writing you the template of this question. You just explain
okay.
me. So this is the. Suppose you are given a function func or maybe the largest sub largest sub. Okay, and you will be given a string s. Okay. Now you have to return a vector of strings.
Okay, so first I need to write the pseudocode or just write
First,
the
you can
complete code.
explain me the approach, then you can
Okay,
proceed with
so
writing the
so
pseudocode.
let's suppose we have a string
Okay,
like A, P, and E, D, F. है ना?
okay,
Right.
okay,
So what I will do first is I will short this string. I will short this string. So that shortest string what will be A, B, and uh, E, D, and F. Right.
okay. So basically, you have
Okay.
already picked an
I
sorted
had
string.
already.
You have already picked an
I have
example of sorted string. I
yeah,
mean,
yeah, yeah. I'm pick this.
okay,
Sorting this thing. Then it will convert it to A, B, E, D, F. Right.
okay,
Now, if I want to make a string of one character, then it will be obviously the last character of the string, right? Which is S, F.
okay.
Okay. I have to make a subsequence, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, okay. Actually, I misunderstood the question. Can I
yeah,
rethink again?
yeah, sure.
Okay, okay. Ashish, can you mute yourself?
Oh, sorry.
It is.
So Vaibhav,
Okay, yeah.
can you think in a way like firstly how will you make a string of length n, length 1?
Okay, I will first find the largest character.
Yeah,
Then it will be of
it will
length
be
one.
of length 1. Okay, fine.
Like, if
So
now if I
how will you
want,
make of length 2?
then if let's suppose I find the character which is largest. Let's suppose it is F. Then I will see, okay, in left side and right side I am able to find is there any character left side of it or right left side of it.
Left side of it. So firstly you will
Sorry,
right side.
right
Yeah.
side, right side.
Yeah.
If there are characters present, let's suppose some characters are there. Let's suppose A B C.
Hmm.
Then for making length two, I will choose a from ABC, which is the largest,
Yeah.
right?
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
So, like, are you
So
getting some hints from here? I mean, mm, so basically, what will be the time complexity in which you have to do this? What will be the overall time complexity? Obviously, it will be O of n square. So,
mm-hmm.
O of n will go in iterating from, I mean, the length 1 to length n.
No, actually, it will take more time. Uh, just let me think for a moment.
Like, can you explain me the approach which you are getting? I mean, even if the time
Actually,
complexity is more, like, I just want to, like, did you get the brute force approach or some with, like, you can,
I have to make subsequence right.
uh,
Actually, brute force approach is also taking a lot of time.
okay, okay, fine. Uh,
Like if I check every possible string, and then
that
it
is
can be.
obviously, it will take much more time. You do not have,
Mm-hmm,
it will take exponential time. So obviously,
mm-hmm,
can you can you think of storing something previously? I mean, can you
mm-hmm.
store some values uh, between some indexes? Mm,
Actually, I can't think. I'm not able to think.
the hint is like you can store some maximum value, maximum letter
Mm-hmm.
between the
I'm able to think.
indexes.
Just give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay. The one solution is coming in my mind.
Hmm.
Should I try to explain?
Yeah, sure.
So, okay. So first, I will make a DP, a dynamic programming 2D vector.
Okay.
Okay. Let's suppose DP, in which DP first element of DP is saying that at up to index up to what index
Hmm.
I am able to make a length of I am able to make a length of L, which is giving me a string, largest possible string. Like, let me explain what I am trying to say.
Okay.
So let's suppose our string is A, B, E, and D and F, right?
Okay.
So let's suppose DP of 1 0 comma 1 will say,
Hmm.
okay, I'm able to make of string up to index 1 is 0,
Uh,
of length 1 is A, right?
okay.
And DP of DP of 0 comma 2, it will be like 1 and the length 1. Now it will say, okay, up to index 1, I am able to make a make a string of length 1.
Um,
Right? Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
so basically, DP of
Like
1 comma 1 state
it
that.
will be
Yeah.
2
Okay.
B.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and DP of 1 of length 2 will be equal to AB.
A B. How?
Like up to index 1,
Up to
I am
index.
able to make
Okay.
what will be the required what will be the length of the string,
Hmm. Okay.
like which contains two character and having a value AB,
Hmm.
like it is the maximum value.
Okay.
Like let's suppose let me give one more example, like DP
Mm-hmm.
of index 2 of length 2, then its
Mm-hmm.
answer will be
Hmm.
like BE.
Okay.
Are
Okay.
you getting, like
Yes,
up to
yes.
up to
Okay,
this
fine.
index 2,
Uh-huh.
I am able to make a length of string
Mm-hmm.
2,
Mm.
which will be the largest and which will be equal to BE.
Okay.
are you
Yes,
getting my intention?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
What TP
yeah.
is trying to
Yes, yes.
what I'm trying to store.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So now if I iterate from each index, let's say index, then if I am at index like let me write it here. So first I will make a DP.
Hmm.
Should I write
Yeah, you
like
can write
how?
recursive code too.
Okay, okay, that will be
Hmm.
better.
Hmm.
So I am making a DP vector.
Hmm.
Let's suppose size is equal to string dot length.
Okay.
So it will be size n and n minus one. Uh, you
Okay.
can say this empty string showing that currently I am not able to make any string with these conditions, like I have to index this and making a length which is greater than that index.
Okay.
Okay, so I will call a function which start from index 0
Hmm.
and length is also initially 0 and dp and where and string s. Now let's write recursive code. Okay, I don't need this length and dp and s. Now for each length, a length l is less than equal to n and l plus plus. Okay, so Ashish, can you mute yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, Weber, can you explain me this transition which you are
Yeah,
writing
yeah,
down?
yeah, yeah. I'm just like, okay. So what I am here doing is that,
Yeah.
okay. So let's suppose I know the answer of this dp. I want to find the answer of dp
Hmm.
idx
Hmm.
with length L.
Hmm.
You know the what is the meaning of IDX?
Yeah.
IDX up to index IDX.
Up to index
What
IDX.
is the length up to index? What is the substring
Hmm.
that I what is the substring that I am making with
Okay.
length L? This is L, which have the maximum value, right? So
Okay.
according to which is equal to max of up to index IDX minus one, IDX minus 1, which have length of L, which have length of L minus 1. What is the possibility? What is the possibility is that I am adding the last index IDX, or I am not adding the last index IDX to get the this IDX plus this element, like dp
Hmm.
of IDX minus 1 with length L. Like first possibility is this,
Hmm.
like up to up
But
to
you
up to
are,
index IDX minus
but you are,
I am.
but DP is storing a string, right?
Right.
So what is the meaning of max of DP of what is
Actually,
max?
it will automatically check which string is has the large details.
Are you sure that max function works on string?
Yeah, as I know, it works.
No, it is
But if
only
if
for,
it does not work, I can use the if else statement,
okay.
like which one is larger. So it's not a big issue. So
Okay, fine.
and the second possibility is that up to IDX minus 1, what is the largest string
Okay.
of length L?
Hmm.
let let me little separate it like this
Hmm.
and this.
Hmm.
Are you getting my intentions? Like I can dry run a code, then it will
But
be
you
easy
you
to.
you you have written same thing, like max of DP of IDX minus one
No,
something.
no, wait, is it
Yeah, can you, I just want to
minus one
like know
plus
your
s of
transition.
IDX?
Yeah, actually I have
Yeah,
understood your state,
now it.
but I have not understood your
Mhm.
transition yet, like how you are doing the transition from one
Okay,
state to another
you
state.
got my state right.
Yeah, I have
So let me
understood
dry
what
run it.
your state
Then
is.
it will be easy to understand.
Yeah.
Okay, can I dry run?
Yeah, you can just write it.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Okay,
Hmm.
so let's suppose what is the value of dp of 0 comma 1? It will be surety
A.
a,
Yeah.
right?
Hmm.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, correct. Now if I'm moving to index, I'm moving my index to let's suppose index is I to a to b, right?
Okay.
So to dp of I, which is dp of I with length 1,
Hmm.
with length I will start from length 1, right?
Hmm.
Is equal to what is I value of I is 1, so 1
Hmm.
and 1, which is equal to max of what I have written is dp of idx minus 1, means dp of idx minus 1 means dp of 0,
Hmm. Hmm.
and dp of and length, what is the length? Length will be 1,
Hmm.
1, okay, or the uh, dp of 0 of length 1 and length 0,
Hmm.
right? Initial value of dp of 0 will be 0.
Hmm.
dp of 0 will be this,
Hmm.
like an empathy string,
Hmm.
okay,
Hmm.
and plus current character. What is current character? Which is b. So this will
Hmm.
give the dp of 1 comma 1
Okay.
is equal to max of dp of 0 comma 0 is a, and dp of 0 comma 0 which is empty string, and uh, currently I'm indexed at 1, so it is will be b, so the final
Okay.
value will be b,
Okay.
right?
Hmm.
And similarly for dp of this is I am iterating the length, like
Hmm.
initial length will be 1, with length will be 2,
Hmm.
right? So a dp of with index 1 with length 2 will be equal to max of
Okay.
dp of what I have written here. Let's
Hmm.
write this part first.
Hmm.
dp of idx minus 1. Idx value is 1, so
Hmm.
idx it will be 0,
Hmm.
and then length minus 1. What I have taken length l equal to 2,
Hmm.
right? So 2
Hmm.
minus 1 is 1,
Hmm.
plus current index string, current character present at index I. So value of I is 1, so it will be b, comma
Hmm.
dp of current index minus 1, 1 plus length. What is the length? 2.
Okay.
Okay, and what is the and one more thing, I have already initialized what if I am taking the whole string up to index I, then its answer will be the same, like
Yes.
uh, like a dp of 3 up to index 3 of length 4, then it will be obviously from starting to end, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
You're getting my point,
Yes.
what I'm
Yes.
trying to say?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, yes. So in this case, it will be A, B, E, and D, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I am coming back to here. So it will be equal to max of what is the value of dp of 0 and 1, which is 0 and 1, which is B,
Hmm.
right? So here I will write B
Hmm.
plus and okay, wait. 0 and 1. Where is, sorry, it is A.
Hmm.
A plus B, comma, and what is the value of dp of 1 comma 2? 1 comma 2, where is 1 comma 2? 1 comma 2, it will be simply ab, because I have already defined here,
Yes.
like dp of idx of comma idx plus 1 will be a string starting from 0,
Yes. Yes.
right?
Hmm.
So ab, so they both are giving the same answer. So the dp of dp string that starting with that ending at index 1 with length 2 will be ab,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
this same way I will write the recursive code, so overall time complexity will be n square.
Okay.
I'm able
Fine.
to show it what I'm trying to say.
No. No. I understood your approach. Yeah.
Okay,
So no need to write. Actually, I
so,
have you have already written. So there is one more approach, which you could like, one more easier approach.
like
Should
okay,
I tell
so
you?
time complexity is
No,
less
no,
or
no,
more?
no, no.
Okay,
Time
should I think more?
complexity is n square only, but
Okay,
without dp. What you could,
without dp.
without dp, yes. So what you can do
Okay,
is,
so yeah, I can do it without dp.
how?
Obviously I can do it.
How?
Okay, so okay, let me. I will store two variables.
Okay.
Like in DP, I have just have to store two possibilities.
Hmm.
Like what is the length at up to a previous index, that it contains the length current required length minus one.
Hmm.
Okay, I think I just need actually I need a 1D vector to store it. Like you are able to do it in
Uh,
what time complexity?
n square only. Anyways,
And
your approach was okay, so I don't think
okay.
I have to explain my approach. Just my approach was that if you are given a string s, suppose a d, like
Mm-hmm.
suppose a, I'm writing here. Mm, अरे यार, suppose a d h e f I suppose this is the string. So if you want to make an a string of length 1, then obviously you have to firstly what will you do, firstly what will I do is that I'll, for every index I'll iterate n square loop from uh, f- f- uh, I'll iterate a n square loop from I to like first for loop will be from 0 to n, and the second for loop will be from 0 to I. I hope you got it.
Mm-hmm.
So for every
Mm-hmm.
index, for every pair of the index, I will store what is the maximum character in that interval. I mean, for example, from zero to
Mm-hmm. Got it. Got it. Got it.
yeah. So
Zero to
for
let's
example,
suppose
zero
A to
to
H, it
two,
will be
h
zero
is the
to H to
most
H
the
will be
biggest
answer.
character. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So for every index, I'll do this.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, for every pair of index, I'll do this, and suppose
Mm-hmm.
I'll store this in some vector. I mean, some vector. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
then what will I do is
Ah,
that
yeah.
then what will I do is that suppose if I want if I want a uh, uh, if I want a string of length 1, then obviously
Mm-hmm.
what will I do? Let's say if I want a string of length 4 in this length 4, let's write some more characters here. So what will I do is that I'll check from here to here. I mean, from I'll leave the last three spaces, and I'll check
Mm-hmm.
the biggest. I know the biggest among zero index to the uh,
Mm-hmm.
n minus three index,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Okay, got it.
So
Got it.
I'll
Right. Right.
pick the biggest. I know the biggest.
Mm-hmm. You will
I
pick.
have
Okay.
already stored along with the index. I'll store
Mm-hmm.
that, so that
Mm-hmm.
suppose here I think h is the maximum, right?
Mm-hmm.
G-H, huh. So
Yeah, I
now,
got your approach. I
yeah.
got
So
your
now
approach. Yeah.
now in the second for loop I'll pick h. H is fixed as the first letter of the that four length string, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now
Mm-hmm.
I'll increase a pointer to e, and
Mm-hmm.
now I'll also increase the second pointer because I the,
Yeah.
second pointer is
Now you will search. Yeah. You will
just to ensure
shift to
that
U.
the minimum number of characters should be
Left base
left, so
in
that we
right
have
side.
to make
Yeah. Yeah,
I
correct,
hope
correct.
you got
I
the
got
approach.
I got your approach. Actually, I have also think in that way. Then I just thought I should store the previous strings that I have built.
Yeah.
So I thought about the DP.
Yeah,
Initially, I was
basically
also thought in
both
that way.
both the approach is having same time complexity and same space
Yeah.
complexity, so I don't think like so both so yeah. mm, so yeah, I guess
Okay.
it was a good interview. So yeah, you are selected.
Okay. अच्छा चल लेट्स ब्रेक ठीक है अभी पता थोड़ी सी समझाने में दिक्कत हो रही थी ना.
हाँ भाई, ये तो है, तो थोड़ा मतलब जो एक्सप्ले अप्रोच में जैसे मेरे को काफ़ी फोर्स डालना पड़ रहा था समझने के लिए, तेरा अप्रोच काफ़ी मतलब
हम्म.
सोचना
अरे
पड़ रहा था
मैं
कि
समझ नहीं आ
बोल
रहा था
क्या रहा
कैसे
है।
समझाऊं यार मतलब
तू
काफी
ऐसे बोल सकता था
लिख
कि जैसे तू ना पहले स्टेट एकदम अच्छे से बता वो
तो
लिख दे कि लाइक
तूने
डीपी ऑफ आई का
अब
मजे क्या होता है कि तू जैसे यहाँ पे क्या लिखा था तूने, बेसिकली क्या लिखा
मैं
है
कुछ
यहाँ
नहीं
पे?
लिखा था मैं सीधा एग्जांपल देके समझा रहा था.
हाँ, एग्जाम्पल देके समझा रहा था ना तू
अरे तो
ये
तुझे
पहले ना
मैं
पहले
तो
तो
समझ में आ
स्टेट
गया ना.
डिफाइन कर कि डीपी ऑफ आई कमा जे में आई इंडिकेट वो लिख दिया कर, नहीं तो बार बार इंटरव्यूअर सोचते रहेगा कि आई क्या था जे क्या था। ये लिख दिया कर कि
हम्म.
डीपी ऑफ आई कमा जे में आई जो है वो बोल रहा है कि इंडेक्स आई
हम्म.
तक और जे लेंथ का। तो आई कमा जे मत
हम्म.
लिख वहाँ पे एल ई एन कुछ मतलब ऐसे एल ई एन जी टी एच ऐसे कुछ लिख दो ताकि इंटरव्यूअर को समझ आ जाए। जैसे तूने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा था?
हम्म.
ठीक है, ये एल
तो
एल ठीक है लिखा था। वो ठीक है, बट और फिर जो स्ट्रेट ये जो स्टेट ट्रांजिशन तूने ठीक है एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू जब तूने समझाया ना तब फिर ठीक है वो
हम्म,
इंटरव्यूअर समझ जाएगा। बट तू जो यहाँ
हम्म,
पे कुछ समझा रहा था ना ये वो उससे उतना आई डोंट थिंक वो
ये वाला पार्ट।
हाँ
हाँ, ये वाला थोड़ा टफ है, मतलब इसमें बस सिंपली
इसको हाँ
इसमें से
मतलब
हिंदी लैंग्वेज में समझाना आसान होता है एज कम्पेयर टू इंग्लिश, सही बताऊं तो।
ये तो है।
है ना, अभी देख यहाँ पे मैं तुझे बता सकता हूँ कि मतलब डीपी यहाँ इस इंडेक्स से यहाँ तक का वैल्यू हम लोग अगर मान ले फर्स्ट इंडेक्स
हाँ
जो अभी हम जिस करंट इंडेक्स पे उसको अगर हम इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं
हाँ बस
तो
इंक्लूड करना है या
ऑब्वियसली
नहीं करना है वही
हाँ,
वाला
हाँ
चीज़
नहीं
है।
हम बात कर रहे हैं, हाँ
बट
अगर हम लोग
बट
इसको इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं मीन्स कि हम लोग इससे पहले जो स्ट्रिंग सब स्ट्रिंग मैक्सिमम रही होगी
हाँ
उसको लेंगे और प्लस इसको
उसको
लेंगे।
लेंगे प्लस ये लेंगे,
और
नहीं तो
नहीं कर
अगर
रहे हैं तो
नहीं कर
सीधा
रहे हैं
अभी
तो
तक जो
उसके
मैक्सिमम रही
पहले
होगी
वाले तक
दैट,
उतना ही लेंथ का
हाँ
जो भी
मैक्सिमम,
स्ट्रिंग है वो ले लेंगे।
हाँ करेक्ट करेक्ट।
वो
कॉल आ रहा है।
अ, ठीक है मतलब समझा तो
बट
ठीक
भाई
है
बता
मतलब
तो,
अच्छा समझाया, समझ तो आया, समझ तो मुझे आ गया। बट अगर
फोन
इंटरव्यूअर
कर
थोड़ा
रहा है मेरे
वो
को।
होगा मतलब
हम्म,
उसको मतलब थोड़ा
भाई फोन
सी
नहीं
पी
बज रहा
पी
है
नहीं
मेरा
आता
यार।
होगा तो मतलब आई डोंट थिंक वो उतना अच्छे से well, अगर सी पी नहीं आता होगा तो ये क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पूछेगा वो, मुझे नहीं लगता
ये
अबे
किसका
ये
क्वेश्चन
ये
था?
देख ये क्वेश्चन मतलब ठीक है मतलब इससे इजी पूछेगा वो, मैं लिख के बोल रहा हूँ ये
हाँ
तो।
नहीं नहीं, अच्छा क्वेश्चन था भाई वैसे।
हाँ
स्टार्टिंग में मेरी गांड फट गई थी सही
स्टार्टिंग
बताऊं
में
तो।
भाई तूने जब बोला ये क्या बोलते हैं
क्या
शॉर्ट
हो गया
कर
हो
दिया
गया।
भाई, सीधा शॉर्ट ही कर दिया। मैं सोचा भाई ये क्या कर रहा है।
अरे अरे एक्चुअली मुझे लगा कि सिर्फ करेक्टर का यूज करके बनाना है, हम उसको
हाँ
सफल नहीं कर
वही वही,
सकते।
तब तो
फिर
भाई
मैंने
ये
देखा
तो
सब
भाई
सीक्वेंस
डिप
है।
टू ए हो जाता फिर तो
सब
इतना भी
सीक्वेंस था।
आसान थोड़ी ना पूछेगा। मैंने सोचा भाई क्वेश्चन बोलते ही आंसर कैसे आ गया इसको, सीधा शॉर्ट कर रहा है। फिर मेरे को लगा था कि तू
अरे
क्वेश्चन नहीं
एक
समझा
बार रुक जा,
अच्छे
एक
से।
बार मुझे कॉल आ रहा है।
ठीक है चल फिर बंद करते हैं।
रुक।